Elizabeth, what do you think? What do you have? Garrett, what is it? Can you lay back and make a snow angel? Lay back, lay your heady on the ground. Oh, Elizabeth fell on the ground. Say hi. Elizabeth, can you say hi? Look at Mommy. You're just too into the snow? Garrett? Garrett, what's coming out of the sky? Nice shot. Nice shot. I like it. What are you doing? Garrett, what are you doing? All right, we're moving on. Elizabeth, what's your brother doing? Is he stuck? Are you stuck? Ralphie! Ralphie, you need help? There you go. You couldn't stand up? Oh, the wind! There's a wind blowing.
No.
Elizabeth, are you stuck? Do you need help? You trying to figure out what this is?